Hey guys, it's Jay. Hope everybody's having a great day, staying safe. Today I'm here with a brand new rider. Her name is Sandy. Sandy has gone through the MSF class here in Texas. So it's basically a 3-day class, one night of kind of book material, 2 days of riding on smaller bikes. They use 500s and 350s. So you rode the
350.
The 350. How much experience have you had prior to that or after that?
Before the class, I've never even been on a bike.
Never been on a bike?
Never been on a bike. Never.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Passenger one time.
Passenger one time.
That's it. And I was like, no, I got to learn.
How much riding have you done since the class?
Since the class, probably about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes.
And what were you on then?
Pan America Special.
So you rode a Pan America?
Pan
Okay.
America.
Just in a straight line or just got on it and rode it?
Yeah, just to
Okay.
get comfortable with all the throttle and the brakes and clutch and all.
Okay, all right. Well, Sandy met one of my former students who is now a motorcycle instructor here in Texas, and she told her about me, and Sandy had been watching the videos on YouTube, and she contacted me and wants to come out here and do some training. She's really serious about doing this. I think she's got what it takes. Just from what I've discussed with her, she had a small video, and I watched that. She's definitely going to be trainable. I think she's going to do excellent at this. I think you're going to move really, really quick. We've got a 2020 Electric Glide. This is the same bike that my wife has trained on. We will be taking the saddlebags off because it's not going to make a difference in her training. It's just anything can happen when you drop a bike. So guys, take your saddlebags off when you're training. It's just the smart thing to do. We've also taken the lower fairings off this bike. Those are just for looks. They're not real heavy, wouldn't make a difference, but it's just anything can happen when you're training on a bike. Even with an advanced rider who practices all the time, the bike goes down, anything can happen. The bike is protected with the motorcycle drop guards. We've actually got a refurbished set on here that we've damaged and repaired. So these have been refurbished. They're not brand new drop guards. We've actually got a police seat here. The same seat that we set up for my wife. It's got a special bracket that I designed with my buddy, and we put this on here, and it lowers the seat into the bike and allows them to be pushed up further on the gas tank to sit center of gravity on the bike so they can make the reach as a female, because most females will have a shorter reach. So we're going to get her going today. We're going to teach her total clutch control. We're going to start from the bottom, ground up with Sandy, and we're going to take her as far as we can today. We're going to document the first hour just like I always do, because I think it's really important to see how much you can learn in an hour, because a lot of people ride for years and years and years and they never get to any kind of advanced level. They take training courses after training course and they still struggle with 20 to 22 foot U-turns. And total clutch control, taught it for over 13 years. Got a lot of students using it. It's caught on around the country. I'm seeing more and more YouTubers talking about you don't have to use the rear brake, and they're lowering their RPMs compared to what they used to say, raising the RPMs to 1,500 to 1,800. So it's good to see that, because you don't need that wear and tear on this bike. So we're going to get going, and we're going to let you guys watch Sandy as she trains from the ground up and see how she does. You ready?
Oh, ready or not, here we go.
All right. Okay, it's okay. Motorcycle drop guards, guys. Brand new rider out here on an Electric Glide. She's not doing any damage. She's dropped this thing probably, I don't know, 8 or 9, 10 times today. There's no damage, but she's able to get out here and train because the bike's protected and there's no fear. And you can see how quickly she's making almost 18-foot U-turns with her clutch only. Stand. Yes, I picked the bike up for the students because there's no sense in risking them pulling any kind of muscles in their back. They are female. It's a 900-pound bike. It's just easier for me to pick it up, especially because they're dropping it quite a bit. But like I said, there's no damage. You know that little female, that little 53-year-old female? Okay, so what we're doing here is we're showing Sandy how to open the clutch, engage the clutch from the gray zone, okay? So she's gonna basically have the clutch disengaged all the way. She's going to take all the slack out of the clutch, right to where the bike starts to move. As soon as she feels the bike start to move, she's going to disengage, close the clutch, right back to the gray zone. Not all the way back to the handle grip, but just right to that point, right in front of where the bike starts to move. So what I want you to do is practice your gray zone, going from the gray zone into the friction zone, whatever. But practice opening it. As soon as the bike starts to move, bring it back and stop the bike and just walk the bike, okay? Keep your head and eyes up, looking forward where you want to go, and just do that. Open the clutch, stop the bike, okay? So see, she's controlling the speed of the bike with the clutch right there from the gray zone right to where the bike starts to move. Now when you come to a stop, guys, you want to kill the power to the bike. Don't keep that clutch open. Don't keep your RPMs open, even at slow speeds, because you're going to respond to an emergency situation how you train, okay? And braking, you can't, when you come from 60 miles an hour to a dead stop, you can't keep the bike in the friction zone while raising RPMs and apply your brakes. It's not going to work. Try it again. She's a brand new rider, guys. Brand new rider. This is how she's going to learn how to control that clutch with total clutch control. We'll see where she is in an hour. Right, that's good. Turn that head, look over your shoulder where you want to go. There you go. There you go. Hey, oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. There you go. That's okay. So you know that little female, that little 53-year-old female? No, we don't have time for breaks. All right, now make sure you ride out and come back in straight. You come down the line and then make your turn. So, yeah, we're making U-turns. Try a U-turn here. There we go. Open the clutch. Open the clutch. Open the clutch. There you go. Get you a little more speed. You want to have your speed set as you're coming in, okay? Open the clutch and turn. Open the clutch and turn. There you go. Open the clutch and turn. Good job. Make sure you're sitting high in the saddle. Turn your head. There you go. There you go. Go further out. Go further out and then come back in. There you go. There you go. Now get a little speed, a little more speed, and just bring the clutch in. Close clutch and do it. Turn, 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 turn. Open the clutch. There you go. Make your head turn almost at the same time you're turning the handlebars. Okay, you don't want it to be herky-jerky. Nice and steady. Everything's smooth. Open the clutch, turn your head, turn the handlebars. Okay. Yep, that's better. Turning. There you go. Open it up, turn, open it up, open it up. There you go. That was a less than 18-foot U-turn. Good job. Now don't turn your head too early, because while you're rolling straight, you don't want to take your eyes off where the bike's heading. So make your turn as you turn your head. You started your turn and you didn't follow through with it on that one. That's why you went outside. There you go. All right. Turn, turn, turn. See how you're going straight? You want to turn the handlebars at the same time you turn your head. I mean, your head turns right before the turn. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go. Turn your head, turn. Turn your head, turn, 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 turn. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Yeah, I got that one on video. So, all right, no worries. That's why we have the drop guards on there. So, good job. You're getting your U-turns down, and that's good. It's just, you've got to have your speed set. You've got to have your speed set. So, guys, when you're making your U-turns, you want to come in and you want to have your speed set. So if you're going too fast, just lightly tap the rear brake, slow down, and make the turn and open the clutch as you're making the U-turn. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm having Sandy do. I want her to come in nice and slow. I'm barely creeping. My clutch is disengaged. I'm going to open my clutch slightly and make the U-turn. That's it. So with the clutch closed, disengaged, I can still make my U-turn in less than 18 feet. But I don't want you to make these U-turns with your clutch closed. Just get your speed set right here. So make your turn, make your head turn, open the clutch, and keep turning the handlebars and look where you want to go. The other thing is, when you're making these U-turns, guys, you want to come back to where you start. You want to be staying in your lane. See, I'm staying in my lane all the way back to here like I'm going to do a figure eight. That helps you tighten your U-turns. Same thing with the left. Come in, get my speed set, open the clutch a little bit, make my U-turn, stay in my lane. Now we're going to have Sandy do it. Nice. Open your clutch, turn your head, open your clutch, and turn your head. Turn, turn, turn. There you go. There you go. Just make a little tighter turn. There you go. Now remember, guys, she's only got a couple of hours training now. She's a brand new rider. She's never been on one of these big bikes like this before training. She's a brand new rider. As you can see, she's right at 18 feet with her clutch only.